Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to a new video. It is a new day and welcome to Wellness Month. I'm so excited. I know in the last 3 years or 2 years, for everyone who's new to the channel, in November I put out all content surrounded Wellness Month. It will be around healthy food and workouts and some cool collaborations and things like that. I'm pretty stoked. We're gonna do a lot of workouts together. I am wearing now this super comfy short set and an oversized sweater from daily drills to friends here in LA. It's really comfy. So let's chat today. I haven't had breakfast yet. I also have to do groceries. There's literally nothing left in my fridge. Yeah, I think I am going to make some pancakes, something light. And then for a drink, obviously I had my super early morning matcha, and a brand actually sent me this. It's called Cometeer. It's in a coffee, and I barely drink coffee, but I did want to show you guys this because it is really cool and it actually tastes really good. I still love the taste of coffee, right? But I just don't really like how it makes me feel, especially early in the morning or in the afternoon. Sometimes I still have one. I will show you what it is because it's kind of a new technology. It is a frozen coffee. The brand is called Cometeer. So this is with notes of chocolate, fruit and nuts. Comes in a recyclable packaging, I believe. In here is frozen coffee, and you have to melt it for a little, and then you can either pour hot water on it and the frozen coffee just becomes a cup of coffee, or you completely melt it and just put it in water. It is pretty good and it actually tastes really well. I'm going to grab some of the ingredients to make some breakfast and then we can chat. Also using this new lip butter. I got a DM yesterday from someone who was like, oh my god, I love your lipstick. What is it? And I was like, well, I'm just wearing a lip balm. Most lip balms, they either dry out your lips really fast, I feel or it just doesn't give the exact glow on your lips. And I feel I'm just so specific with how I like it. But I really like this one from Summer Fridays. It's definitely one of my new fall favorites, and it's the lip butter balm, and it doesn't really have color, but it does have a very natural look, and it matches my kitchen interior. Alrighty, let's make some pancakes. Here are some of the ingredients. The base is going to be some almond flour. It's just a recipe I've been using a lot, and actually I shared last year during Wellness Month. And then I think I'm just going to add some chocolate chips and a banana because this one is very ripe. Probably caramelize this and put this on top. Also, I recently discovered this brand Milk. What I really liked about it was that the ingredients are actually very clean. So it's just water, almonds and salt, and it doesn't have all these preservatives in there, so love it. Yeah.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Take a bite.
Oh.
Take a bite.
Sorry for interrupting. We just tried some freeze-dried strawberries because we're working on a new product. Holy shit.
Wow. So good, right?
So good. I have to fill you guys in all of this, but this is really amazing. Oh no, my NutriBullet broke. Oh, I don't know, maybe I just didn't close it well. Should probably use my Vitamix next day, but well, let's use this. Okay, I'm going to add a little oat milk. I'm shaking this, and this should be melted. And then I stir it. This tastes really good. Sometimes I just like cheat a little bit on my matcha. What catch my eye first was the technology of it with the frozen coffee type of thing, and I think it was really cool. Okay, I think my other pancake is ready too. Yeah, turned out super high and fluffy today. I think it's because I left them in the mixer for a long time because I was like filming and stuff. It's looking good. I'm going to add a little bit of cashew butter on it, and then I'm going to eat some breakfast. So I really like this creamy salted cashew butter from Trader Joe's. Yeah, so breakfast is ready. Some banana pancakes with hemp seed and some pomegranate and cashew butter. Breakfast is ready. I'm here in my tea room. Camera is in focus. There we go. I don't know, I just like really love coming into this room because it's very like serene and like empty. We call this like our tea room where we have like, I don't know, matcha or gathering with people, or whenever I feel I just like need some alone time. But yeah, full house tour is still coming. We're still waiting on like some final touches. Ready. This is really, really good. They're just so light. This is my go-to pancake with the like banana in there for a little like extra sweetness. But yeah, let's chat. It was funny, like last week I posted something or a little Q&A on my Instagram, and there was a question of like what like types of deep subjects interest you and spark you in a conversation. And I responded to it and I was like, I really love like philosophy. And someone commented on it like, oh wow, like besides you doing workouts and food and modeling, we don't really know much about you. You should share more. So I was kind of like thinking, I was like, really? Do you think I'm not like open and sharing a lot of things? Either that person doesn't follow me on YouTube, which is possible, or we experience the same thing. Anyway, I tried to be as open as possible with the combination of obviously keeping some things private because that is very healthy and everyone needs to have some type of privacy and private life, I feel like. But anyway, I wanted to chat about Wellness Month. I think this is the third or fourth year that I am doing Wellness Month in November. And for everyone new on the channel here, it means during November I will be posting kind of workout programs. I will be posting like recipes, a lot of like tips, skincare, kind of everything what is going to help you feel good and help you step up on your wellness journey. I'm really, really excited for that. I kind of wanted to do also a little bit something different this year and bring in like real experts. I have a collaboration with Dr. Barbara Sturm, who is going to tell us everything about like skincare and like what to use, what not to use. Another collaboration with a chef who is literally going to blow our mind with a healthy dessert recipe. And I thought it would be kind of fun to do this also with other people and just to bring their expertise back here into the channel and obviously give that to you. And then I was also thinking, like, I feel most of my content ideas come from a place of my own experience. Things I have found helpful in the past, or things that interest me, or things what I think could really help other people. I think in the last year, in the last weeks to be honest, have made like kind of a big step like in my own mental I don't know, I just felt kind of like stuck for a whole year where I just felt like not that much like personal growth in a way. I would just feel overwhelmed the whole time and I like couldn't break through certain patterns. And Jason, who you have seen on the channel before, and I did actually a hypnosis session, which was really crazy. You are still aware, but your own conscious is taking you to certain memories and certain traumas and working through your feelings, and you're just more aware after like why certain habits, why certain patterns, why your feelings, like where it's coming from. And it was such an awesome experience. It also means it's opened up a lot of like doors for me, kind of things I wanted to like work on. I don't know, maybe we should do like another video also this month with Jason about like a mental health or mindfulness video. I don't know if that's something what you would like to see, but anyway, that was a little bit of an update on my side. Very cool experience, would highly recommend. Do it with a professional, obviously. And something else what I've really learned in the last year is to listen to my body. And this is something very easy to say, but to actually do is much harder. I have really realized how important it is, especially for a female body, to take rest and to work on recovery. So I had like a couple injuries, and I have also shared like a stretching video around this. My personal trainer Glenn has helped me throughout all of this. We've been doing so many stretches over the last year, and my shoulder pain is gone, my posture is better, and by my like better posture I just feel more confident when I walk into a room. I don't know, it's just weird, my whole like body language is kind of changes, and I just feel more comfortable in my own skin. So I also made a recovery series for you targeting like neck pain or shoulder pain or back pain. I really realized if you have like certain injuries or you have like certain pain in your body, it just like stops you from so many things, like fun things like going out or whatever. It could also hold you back in your fitness journey, like your workouts are less efficient, and I don't know. I used to work out like at least 5 times a week, like 6 times. And I think I've really kind of changed that over the last year, where it's maybe like 3 to 4 times a week, and maybe go a little harder, and then really take your rest days. And on days that you like don't really feel it, or you feel your body needs a rest, to actually allow yourself to do that. Again, you have to like figure out like how this works for you, but I thought it would be really nice to share kind of these recovery videos with you to make you feel your best. So a lot of good stuff coming. For the workout program, what we're going to do, I will release every week a kind of like a HIIT workout with like weights or something, and then one long form Pilates workout, which I would love to have your feedback on as well, how you like it, because I'm still thinking of maybe doing next year like a whole wellness platform and incorporating all these workouts and stuff. So let me know. Let's see if I have any other new updates. Oh yeah, well actually, really important update. Today, November 1st, is the official launch of our company Nekohama. It's been such a journey. Never imagined that like starting a company, you know, with some of my best friends, and also again around like wellness, and it's been so much fun. I've spoken to so many of you, hopped on like Zooms. It's just unbelievable that like a year later we are finally doing it. I don't know, we've traveled around the world to try to set up like fulfillment and things like that, so it's available everywhere in the world. Yeah, super excited. It's been a long and hard-working journey right now. We're doing an event like a little later this month, which will be a lot of fun, and also I will take you guys with throughout as well. So I think I updated you kind of on all the things going on in my life. I kind of want you to set yourself a goal for this month. You know, like it's November, it's right before the holidays. We're going into a lot of family time, food, and you know, a lot of fun. I think it would be really nice to kind of set your own personal goal and maybe share it down below here as well. I feel if we can support one each other, that would be really amazing. Don't forget to subscribe, put your notifications on so you know whenever there are new workouts uploaded or new cooking videos. Tell your friends, do this together, do this with your community, and I think this will be amazing. So I guess I will see you very soon in a new video. I'm gonna enjoy my pancake breakfast.